Yep, there is. It's a CSX. Lights are flashing. Oh yeah. Whoa. Here it comes. Yep. Coming. Second westbound. Wow. Hey, the lights are flashing. You know which train that is? It's not CN, so. Wow. Different one. Comes. Second westbound train. Wow. Yeah, the lights are flashing too, see? Let me show you. Yeah. Hear it?
Oh, I hear it.
It's coming. Hey, back up, bud.
Oh, sorry.
You're okay. I was filming. You want to film it or
Look
not?
at that car.
Yeah. It's okay.
Ah, there it is.
Yeah.
The head of the train.
It's a different train now.
Yeah.
Not CN.
Oh, really?
It's CSX.
Oh, nice.
The three-legged one. Cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Here it comes. It's coming quick, I think.
I bet that car right there tried to go around the train but failed.
I think he did. That's funny, isn't it?
It is very.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Here it comes. Oh, it's got a red top.
Huh?
It's got a red top.
What does?
Oh wait, no, that's just
It's
just a light.
Yeah.
I can see the heat coming off the top of that train.
Here it comes.
I can see the heat coming off of it.
Right? Oh, back up, bud.
On the top of the train.
Where? After this we'll go. Sound good?
Yeah.
You say for you bowling?
Yeah. Should we eat first or go bowling first?
Probably eat.
Eat.
Subway?
Yeah, we could. Or do you want to eat at a restaurant or no?
If you want to. What do you think? Subway or something else?
Let's go for Subway.
Okay. You like Subway? There's one up there. You can go there, okay? Wow. He's moving. Blinking green.
Yeah.
Look. Wow. Oh, that's him. He just hit the horn. I think that's him.
What?
I just heard him hit the horn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's blinking green, I see it. What's wrong?
There's a writing on the side of that oil tank. I feel like Tom Cruise.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's funny. Oh, he's moving. Cool.
There's the end of the train.
Really?
Right there.
Oh, wow. Look at that one. Wow.
Smell like skunk. Disgusting.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Sun's coming out.
Yeah, it feels warmer already.
Wow. Right?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, hang on, I'm gonna stop recording. It takes a few minutes, you know. 1, 2, alright, hang on.